make her lock her knees. Can't hear you talk, I speak Guapanese. Rapping don't work, I'm a cop a key. Smoke out the V tryna die.
There's no way Walmart is scamming us. I'm walking around trying to find a drink, and they had the cookies. The damn cookies sitting out. It's like they knew I was coming, bro. I can't give those up.
Set it up because that's where the cookies were, my guy.
We brought out the drone today. We actually have no idea what we're doing. I mean, usually he knows what he's doing. But what's up, bro?
It won't go.
It won't go.
No.
Cause you gotta start. You gotta click go up.
Oh fuck, bro! How are we gonna land it?
We finally pulled up to these big. We got these pumped up. We're here. And yeah, you guys probably won't see a single bit of this because I forgot my GoPro.
I forgot mine too. Yeah.
We decided to take a different route than like I usually take. Where the fuck? Should we go in?
No.
I'm gonna jump. We're gonna.
Out of this bitch,
Yeah, you can't get out this bit. Right there, maybe.
Maybe. I'm not thinking Everest. Fuck no.
This shit look beautiful, bro.
Where you find me? Running overtime, it got cold as ice. Same overdose who put a hole inside me. Highs and lows, catapult. Never leave your sights. Find my nose. I'll try, I could look around, see another one about.
What is that? Yeah, there's a car on the pit. You see that? What kind of car is that? Bro. Oh shit! Bro!
He straight up humped me. I'm sorry. You gotta take a light.
About time, I'm coming. We fall, rock bottom, been the same. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Run around, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Run around.
Bro, is this even gonna bring us anywhere? Where the fuck are we?
Why do we go this high?
What the fuck? Who's gonna do that?
With the bottle and drink until I feel my face no more. She said I got a drinking problem, but I don't got no problem drinking, no.
Oh, we watching flips.
I think I'm gonna die. Hey, just die then. I'll do front.
Then die.
No, do the back. Do the back.
Because of that. What the fuck?
Saying, ooh, I like to say the words I feel.
Oh my god.
Let me try this. What are you trying to do? It's almost
She gonna try it again?
Look at this.
What the fuck? No, she's not grabbing it. Oh my god.
You saved it. That is huge.
Like an hour away from my house. It took us 2 hours to get here. And we left at 12. Think about that, right? We left at 12. It's fucking 3:18. What were we doing, bro? What the fuck did we do? Oh my god. Pause. Y'all see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I already call that one? 5. Which way do we go?
This is right here.
No.
Where the fuck is the actual
Where's the
thing?
big one?
Is it
Is
there?
it 2? Bro, where
I'm
the
gonna
fuck is the car?
Nobody's gonna be there. Everybody's gonna be leaving by the time we
It's gonna be sunset by the time we get to that bitch.
Fuck, and it's hot as shit.
Yes. Oh my god, bro.
What's the temp right now?
We should have definitely brought a bike or something. Is that a snake?
Too deep. There's a resi at the Lilas, cause it's just around the corner. Dressed up how you want it, girl, you know it's California. Are you really quiet or just don't know what to order? I'm not trying to press, I'm just trying to get to know ya. And if you're holding on, maybe you should let it go. And if you're borderline, I'm just looking for my person, but she's out of reach. They say something's wrong with me, I say nothing's wrong. That bitch on my arm with me, but she ain't the one. Not the one for me, you the only one for me. Maybe something's wrong with me, yeah. And now it's 2 a.m. I'm up, all in my head. about. They don't know that I need you now. Maybe I should walk it off. I've been sitting by the speaker sipping, I ain't thinking sober thoughts. Chick with me, she gon' take it off. I've been feeling on her body, but I'm feeling like I'm not enough. They say something's wrong with me, maybe something's wrong. That bitch on my arm with me, but she ain't the one. Not the one for me, you the only one for me. Maybe something's wrong with me, yeah. Oh yeah, now it's 2 a.m. I'm up, all in my head, looking at all my friends choose up, and I'm on my own. And they don't know what I'm thinking about. They don't know that I need you now. You're the one that I'm thinking about. You're the one and I need you now.
Does he have shoes on?
Ow! It's a big rock.
I tripped on one of these rocks.
I've been working hard and going ham. I went Hollywood, yeah, that's your land. Snapping all those pictures on your iPhone. I just wanna take you back to my home. I know I got issues, but you get me. I would make you mine if you let me. But you drain me, keep me waiting. I don't switch up for nobody, but you change me. See you going to the party, but you don't take me. What the fuck?
Can't hear you talk, I speak Guapanese. Rapping don't work, I'm a cop of keys. Smoke out the V, tryna dodge police. Nigga been stuck in his ways. Bill Bella, check how I'm calling out plays. Causing a wreck, hope I don't catch a case. Watch how you step on my niggas with spray. G-Mac and keep the heater packing.